So today we will be making a keypad door lock using ESP-32 and Smowcode. So let's get started. Basically the logic of this project will be that we will enter the password on the keypad, and the password and the other commands will be displayed on the LCD display 16 by 2, and when the password will be of 4 digits, and the password won't exceed the 4 digits. The logic will be as such. And also when the password is correct, then the servo motor will be open. That means the door will be open. So let's get started. So previously we made the calculator video. So basically the keypad section of that calculator video we just have to copy and paste, because if we start making the keypad configuration again, it will take more 10 minutes. So just copy and paste from that calculator template, just paste it. It is the same, nothing different. The keypad click, and according to the keypad press, the number will be allotted to the LCD display. And also there is one addition, that we just have to add another block here with the if node, that the condition will be password is equal to num1. So make sure to add that. And also after this we will use an if node. Enter the condition as num1 must be more than 999. That means the password won't exceed these 4 digits. So yeah, click on done. Num1 more than 9999. Okay, now connect all of these nodes up to 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So start connecting them. Okay, so the nodes are connected. Now let's take a set value node. Connect the if condition to the set value node and enter variable name as num1 is equal to num1 divided by 10. Click on done. Now use the LCD clear node to print it on the LCD. Now LCD print. First the LCD clear to clear the LCD, and then LCD print to print the message on the LCD. Double click on it, click on the pencil icon, and select the SCL pin as 22 and SDA pin as 21. Click on add, click on done. And the same thing, double click on this. Click on pencil icon, 22 21, yeah, that's correct. Just click on update. Done. And here you will type num1 plus inverted comma, so that it identifies itself as a string plus a variable. So click on done. Now the if condition is done. Now we will be making the else condition. Again, copy paste these same nodes and paste them. Paste. Okay, so that's correct. Now we will be setting some global variables. So click on the globals, click on add, and type num1 is equal to 0. Add another global variable and set the name as password, and set any password as you want. Like for example, I'm setting here 2727. So yeah, the password is 2727 and num1 is 0. So yeah, two global variables are selected. Now we will be making the other conditions for these two. Take an LCD clear node, just copy paste this one, copy paste, select this, and the same, copy this and paste this. Now take a servo node, double click on this, select the angle as 180 degree, yeah, that's correct. Click on the pencil icon, set the output pin as 4 as we have connected the PWM pin of this servo motor to pin number 4 of ESP-32. Click on done, connect the if condition to servo, and then I can use the LCD clear node, copy paste this, connect it. Now again pick the LCD print node, double click on it and enter the text as welcome. Click on done. And after this, take a delay node, select delay as 6 seconds. You can take any delay as you want, but here I am selecting as 6 seconds. And then copy this servo node, paste it and set it as 0 because we want the door to be closed after 6 seconds once it's open. Connect it. Now again take the LCD clear node, connect it. Now again take the LCD print node, enter as lease enter. Click on done, first take a space and then click on done and select the line as 0 and again take the same LCD print node, select the line number as 1 and enter the text as the password and click on done. Connect it. And after this flow, take the set value node, write the variable name as num1 and set it to 0. Click on done. Connect the flow, and once this flow is done, we'll be again using the LCD clear node, connect it, take the LCD print node, connect it and type wrong password. And just click on done. And after this flow, again set num1 to 0. Now this flow is done. Now we will be making an on start flow, just select the on start node and then take the LCD clear node, connect the flow, take the LCD print node, enter, hey, please enter space, click on done, copy the same node and paste it, delete the previous text and write the password and select the line number as 1. For this the line number will be 0 and for this the line number will be 1. Connect the flow and our flow is ready. So yeah, just check keypad, yeah, and setting the values and then comparing the password, that is this one, and the number one which is entered here, and then comparing, and then number 1 is equal to number 1 divided by 10, which will decrease the decimal value once it reaches more than 10,000. So actually clear, number one, yeah, right, that's correct. Okay, servo will be open, then the password is right, and after 6 seconds it will close again, and else condition is also right, and also on the on start node the LCD will be cleared, and then it will be printed on the LCD screen as hey, please enter the password. So the flow is correct. Let's verify whether it has any errors in it. So the code is correct, it has 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now select the COM port, COM8, yeah, that's correct, and just hit on the upload button. The code is verified. Now it's getting flashed in the ESP-32. Yeah, so the code is uploaded, and as you can see, when I click the buttons on the keypad, the LCD prints numbers, and when I click on the equal button, and that means the enter button, and when the password is wrong, it gets printed as wrong password, but when the password is right, then the servo opens by opening the door, and after 6 seconds the door closes again. So that was the flow. So thanks for watching our video and see you in the next one.